described and captioned media program. In the classroom and on the go. DCMP.org.
Mozzarella Media presents Science Video Vocab, Volcano.
In this program, we're going to learn about volcanoes. What is a volcano? A volcano is a landform where liquid rock erupts through the planet's surface.
An animation shows a mountain and the layers of earth and rock beneath it.
Liquid rock, when it's below the Earth's crust, is known as magma.
It moves in the animation.
When magma reaches the surface of the Earth, it is called lava.
It goes up through the mountain and flows from the top, then runs down the sides.
When a volcano erupts, melted rock and hot gases from deep inside the Earth work their way up to the surface.
The Described and Captioned Media program provides services designed to benefit students who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind. These services include a library of free-loan described and captioned educational media, a clearinghouse of information related to educational media access, a gateway to internet resources related to accessibility, and a set of guidelines for adding descriptions and captions to media. There are no user registration or service fees. Visit the DCMP at dcmp.org. The DCMP is funded by the U.S. Department of Education and administered by the National Association of the Deaf.